Come gallivanting with me, but first we gotta stop at the hair store. This is after work, so everything's gonna be quick. I grabbed what I needed and then I got hungry, and now we're gonna head to the restaurant. Enjoy.
You like sauce?
Yes. Looks a little sketchy, so it matches like the Google directions. I just gotta figure out the entry now. It said a red door. That one. You guys see what I see. I don't think anybody is here. What if I get kidnapped?
All you're trying to do is just keep tension on it. So this is what's going to happen is now it's pushing on the side of the pins. So when you lift the pins, they're going to stay in place because they're getting pushed on by the side by this tool here.
So they didn't want to have this have to be the whole combination. A bunch of people just poking and making it safe now. Just sharp tools. So this is
It's hard. It's hard to like do three things at the same time. Yeah.
Thank you for gallivanting after work with me. It was fun, but I am pooped. I'll see you next time.